Okay, here we have the cam rendered in Fusion 360. You can see we have all the different parts. There's even acrylic. Oh, one of the parts is not acrylic. All right, well, we'll fix that. So we're going to go File, New Design, bring on our origins. We're going to create a box on the floor, and we're going to create a box that's 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters. Don't need the origin anymore. We're going to shell this, and we're just going to shell starting on this face, and we're going to make it 3 millimeters. That brings us a box that's 3 millimeters. Then we're going to create a sketch on this side. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and do a center point circle, and I'm going to make this, I think it's, well, for this purpose we're just going to create a quick, so I'm not going to do the whole. Oh, no, I'll do it. There's a 7 millimeter hole. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click extrude, and I'm just going to cut a hole. So there's our hole, and then I'm going to click on create sketch, because we're going to create another sketch in here, a circle, and this one's going to be 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters. Okay, now that we've got that, I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to click on it, click extrude, and we're going to do a two-sided extrusion. We're going to pull one out this way, and we're going to pull this one out. We can change it if we need to at one point. And pull it out a little bit farther. Okay. Then we're going to, let's create these stoppers. So we're going to look on this side, and we're going to create a sketch here on this side. Center circle, and we're going to make it 25 millimeters, just like the ones that are in the model we made. Okay, so here we have our, we've selected this, we're going to extrude this out, and we're going to extrude out, but we're going to make it a new body. I'm going to say okay. That didn't look right. We're going to make it 3 millimeters because it is a 3 millimeter. Sorry. So we'll click on the extrude. We're going to make it 3 millimeters. And there you can see that's the stopper right there. Then we're going to move copy. I'm going to click on this one, and we're going to click the copy button, and we're going to move it all the way onto this side, just beyond this wall. Click OK. And since we've got it right here, let's go ahead and move copy. So that we have those, the crank or the, what we're going to spin our cam with. Oh, forgot to click move copy M. Click on it, make sure you click copy before you move it, or it won't let you move it. So there we go. All right, and if you want to clean this up a little bit, you can by extruding this in a little bit if you want. Okay. All right, now we want to create the cam that goes on this shaft right here, or this axle right here. So we're going to click on construct a midplane between here and here, and that's going to create a plane right in the middle of those two, and we're going to create a sketch on that like so. I'm going to create a center diameter circle, and we're going to create it, it's 25 millimeters as well, but I'm going to move it down a little bit so that it's offset, just like that. Click OK. Then now that we have that, I'm going to click it, and I'm going to extrude it. I'm going to do asymmetric. I'm going to pull it out. It really should be total 3 millimeters. Let's see, what is that? So we actually have to go 1.5, and we don't want to cut, we want to create a new body. Say OK. That is a 3 millimeter cam. We're going to create a sketch on the top of the box that we're flipped around. Create a center diameter circle, and since we're doing this, just need to be right on top. I believe it was 4 millimeters for the hole. click it, extrude it, and press, oops, sorry. And then pull it down so that it cuts through there. Create another sketch on top. This time we're going to create a center diameter circle, and this one's going to be 3mm because the dowel that we used was 3mm. I'm going to go in close, and I'm going to click E for extrude, and I'm going to pull down. Let's see this. We're going to do two sides. One side's going to go up to hold the character, correct, right there. And the other one is going to come down here, and it's actually going to come right down to the cam. Okay? Alright. So I haven't even looked at my bodies here, but I'm going to turn off this body so I can see the bottom of this, the follower dowel. And I'm going to create a sketch on it. Click on it. And I can't see it though. I'm going to create a circle that is, well, it's 25mm too. And now that I've got it, I can click on it, click extrude, and I'm going to push up on it. You guessed it, 3mm. It's minus 3mm because it's, and I can join it, but I'm going to create a new body because I might want to change its material. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Oh, no, that's perfect. I just turned the bodies back on. Up here, we're going to look at the front of this now, and we're going to construct a tangent construction plane. So we're going to click on that. I'm just going to click right on here, and it actually creates a construction plane run on the front, which is perfect. Then I'm going to insert an SVG. You will need to have an SVG of your character. Let's see, where's mine? Among Us Cam SVG, it's right here. And then it tells you where do you want to put it. I want to put it right here. And for some reason it's down here. I think it's because of the artboard. So I'm going to kind of move it up. I'm going to make it smaller by using this button right here. It's about right. And then let's move it over. You can tell it's at the bottom of the cam, so this is as low as it will go. So I'm going to push it down a little bit more. I'm going to click OK. Okay, so I've got some parts. How you extrude your character depends on your character. So I know I've got 3 bits here. Then I'm going to go ahead and extrude at 3mm. Let me just check. Yes, some new bodies. I'm going to do that. Okay. And of course, we love it when Fusion 360 turns off our sketches. I'm going to extrude this one as well by pressing E, and I'm going to make it 3mm as well with the new body. That gives me access to the coloring. And the rest of it, you know, if you want to create an appearance. We can duplicate these colors. And I went ahead and created some different colors for the character. I think I had orange for the hat. And I'm just going to leave these gray and the backpack gray. You can, there's other choices, but I'm going to change this to, that didn't work out. Let's do transparent acrylic clear. There you go. And then push this one clear. And then I think I have some wood down here. I'm going to do bamboo. And then just turn all of these on by just dragging over here. And I think I got one more here. And that way you have your cam based on your 5cm by 5cm mini cam. I know I went really fast. If you want to go back and look, you can. Make sure you save. Mini cam Among Us. Okay, there we go. And then you can go in and use the render function. I need to figure out what the light is doing. Thank you very much.